Hey there, welcome to my channel, I'm Gabi. Today I will show you the fantastic and unique way Spain celebrates New Year's Eve. Trust me, it's more than just a countdown. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our content. Now, let's get the party started. 12 grapes, known as las 12 uvas de la suerte in Spanish, is a special tradition in Spain. It involves eating a grape with each of the 12 clock bell strikes at midnight on December 31st to welcome the new year. Each grape and bell strike is believed to represent the 12 months to come. This tradition has a long history, dating back to at least 1895, but gaining widespread popularity in 1909. In December of that year, wine growers in Alicante started this custom to boost the sale of the grapes from the not great harvest. Eating the 12 grapes is thought to bring good luck and prosperity for the upcoming year. People gather in two main places to eat grapes: at home with family after the Noche Vieja dinner, or in the main squares across the country. The Puerta del Sol, like the Times Square of Spain in Madrid, is especially famous for this tradition, being where it all began. The 12 grapes are closely connected to the clock of the Royal House of the Post Office in Puerta del Sol, and the New Year's Eve countdown is broadcasted from there on major national television networks and radio stations, starting television broadcasting in 1962. There you have it, the Spanish way of ringing in the new year. If you ever find yourself in Spain during this time, you've got to give it a try. From special dinners to lively parties, there's no shortage of ways to enjoy the festivities. Wishing you all a happy new year, filled with luck, joy and unforgettable moments. Cheers to a fantastic year ahead.